Hello, and good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Colab, Google Colab, for all your Python exercises, especially for this short course. And if you want to use Google Colab, you have to have a Gmail account. It is very free if you do not have one. If you have one, you can just use it as it is. So right now I'm going to share my screen and I will show you how I link it to Colab. So this is a browser, Google Chrome, where I have my Gmail account. And the Gmail account is pretty new. I've only used it once just to test how Colab works. So all I have to do is to type Google Colab. And I'm going to see a range of options here. Once it is research.google.com, colaboratory, and I'm in the right place. I just click on it. And it's going to link to my Gmail account. Now, if this is the first time you're going into Colab, this is the only notebook you're going to see. Welcome to Colaboratory. And you can cancel this. What this helps you to do is it shows you how to start with Colab. You can see the getting started page here. And I advise you to go through it after you finish watching this video because it's going to go deeper than I'm going to show you. I'm just going to show you the basic thing you need to do. So if you want to start, you go to File and then choose New Notebook. Depending on how fast your internet is. Mine took a little bit, and you're going to see that this is the title of the notebook. It is untitled 0. So you can change it to whatever you want. Let's say intro to Colab. You can say intro to Colab 1 or intro to Colab, and just hit enter, and you're done. So you can see most of your work, most of your program is going to be in this cell here. And you write most of your codes in there. Like if I just hit 1, I press shift and enter, it will run and it's going to display the 1 for me to see. I'll just give it some time. I think it has to do with my internet, it's a bit slow. And you can see I have 1. Alternatively, you can use this play button here. If you click on it, it's going to give you the same thing. Why I prefer to use Shift Enter is because the moment you do it, it opens up another cell. Sorry, as soon as I did that, it gave me an error. This is how you start seeing errors in Python because it doesn't know what hello means. So it's telling me that hello is not defined because Python doesn't really speak English. Now, when you are starting out in programming, normally they will teach you how to write something called hello world. So we're going to just do it here. So first of all, I'll delete all these cells that I don't need and go back to the very first cell. So the way we're going to do the hello world is we're going to write print, then we hold our shift key and press our brackets or whatever we call it. Then we're going to hold our shift key and press the number 9 on most computers, and it's going to open the brackets for us. And then we'll put quotation marks, either double or single. Then we type in hello world. Check my spellings. And then we'll hold our shift key and press on enter. And here we see it's showing us hello world. These numbers here are just showing us a number of times we've run different cells. So I've run different cells here 4 times, not necessarily in order. Like if I type 23 here, see, I can see number 5 here. If I go back here and run this one again, It's going to give me 6, right? So somebody passed a comment that he was surprised when I said I could use Python as a calculator. Yeah, 2 plus 2, Shift Enter, will give me 4. 4 times 2, Shift Enter, will give me 8. Then 2 raised to the power 4 will give me 16. And 16 divided by 8 will give me 2.0. So this is just a little you can do with Python. So what I expect you to do after watching this video is to go open your Colab, give it a title, and then write your hello world, and then submit it. I'll do another video to show you how to submit Colab in Google Classroom. Thank you for your time, and I wish you happy coding. Ciao.